for your kind attention. Also, thank you very much for choosing Carnival Cruise Line for your own vacation. For the last time, DJ, take it away.
All your bags are packed, you're ready to go. We're standing here in front of you. We hate to see you go and say goodbye. We have done our best to serve you this cruise. We have danced for you and made you smile already.